Okay, guys, so I'm so excited. So here is the box. Hey, there's my name. Okay, so let's find out what did I get. All right, so for those of you who have never ordered large motors from Lego Education, they come pre-packaged in these bags. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So just because, you know, the motors that we have are like 6 years old and they're starting to fade, had to get some brand new motors. So awesome. Okay, so next in this wonderful gift box here. Okay, so we have the Pneumatics set. So there are 31 pieces in there. There we go. And I ended up getting, there's a second one, and there's a third one. And then there is this dude here. So, okay. It was just flipped around. Okay, so I ended up getting 5 of these. So this would be cool for, you know, those students that are really far ahead of all the other students. So now they can work on pneumatics. So that was it. So the pneumatics set, I'll go ahead and open this up and show you guys what's going on with this pneumatic set. And then I definitely have 12 new large motors. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll take a look at this pneumatic set.
Lego Robotics.
And if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. I would really appreciate it. Hey everybody, what's going on? It's Mr. Hino with Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. Today's video, we're going to take a look at the Lego Education Pneumatics add-on set. Now I'll be honest, when I bought this add-on set, I did not realize it was an add-on set to the simple and motorized mechanism base set. But I was like, okay, let me just take a look at it. And then I already ordered that other set recently. I'll leave you the links in the description to both of these sets. But today I'm going to go ahead and just take a look at this add-on set. Now you might be asking, Mr. Hino, are you able to use this add-on set without the base set? And you can. They're meant to go together. And when I show you what's inside here, you'll see that they're supposed to go together, but you can do some really cool stuff with this set. So let's get going. Okay, what really caught my eye when I first saw this was definitely the scissors lift. Check that out. So it is set 9641. There are 31 pieces in here. It's going to actually look like a whole lot more, but let's take a look at what's inside. Actually, it kind of shows you what's inside there, but let's take a look at it for real. Okay, so there's going to be a lot of booklets here, so check this out. Let me take that off here. So these booklets are going to have lots of instructions on what you can build with this, but let me go ahead and show you why you will need that base set eventually, because right now, I just let the air tank go rolling. There are going to be some pieces that you're going to need. Obviously, we don't have these pieces, and that's it. We don't have those pieces, and that's going to be coming in the base set. So the wheels, these beams, some of these parts I already have, but you know, I'm going to have to start fishing them around, and I definitely don't have some of these Technic beams. So that's going to come with the base set. But let me go ahead and show you what's going to be coming inside. So this is going to be the air tank. These are going to be the T-junctions. This is what's going to allow the air to flow in multiple directions, and it actually will allow me to hook up to the air pressure gauge. So if you guys are wondering what pneumatics is, as I open this bag, pneumatics is basically going to be air pressure and what we can, you know, accomplish with air pressure. So this is going to be the air pressure valve. they're very protective of this. In fact, they wrapped it in this bubble wrap, and they're basically saying don't let this drop, because this is a very delicate instrument, but this will definitely keep track of the air pressure that you're going to be applying. Lots of tubing in here, different colored tubing. And then there's going to definitely be lots of pumps and cylinders, and the difference between a pump and a cylinder would be that the pump you actually can pump, and the cylinders will just allow the air to go through, but they're really not, supposed to be pumps. So we still have lots of tubing. Here, let me just go ahead and dump this all out, and then you can take a look. So lots of tubing. So these would be the cylinders. There's a pump. And this is going to be the pneumatic valve switch. This would be what allows the air to flow from one tubing to another and from one direction to another. So, it might allow the air pressure or the air from this air tank to flow into, this cylinder. And, you can flip it to a different way if you want to cut that direction off. So these are going to be very cool, and you get 3 of those. So again, you're going to get the cylinders and the pumps. Actually, you're going to get lots of tubing, air tank, air pressure gauge, the T-junctions. Oh, here's another cylinder. And let's go ahead now and take a look at some of the cool projects and experiments that you can do with this set. guys, so a very cool set. Yes, I do have that base set on order, so that way when I get that set, I'm definitely excited to bring you all of those models that are in this booklet here. So there's just so many cool projects, and especially that scissors lift. I mean, come on, that's going to be incredibly cool. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get it before the school year ends. We'll have to see. But if not, I'll definitely try to get that to you. If I get it, during the summer, I'll try to bring that to you. Or if I need to when school starts and when I get that in. So we'll just have to see, okay? But definitely something very cool. Again, I'll leave you the links to both of those sets, the base set and the add-on set, in case you want to check that out. But it's just really neat to now be able to take robotics and put air pressure into that. I definitely remember seeing a team, let me know if I forgot what team that was, the first Lego League team that used this pneumatic set in their robot. It was Into Orbit, the one where they had to make the rocket go up to the top. They actually used a pneumatic, parts and pieces to make that work. And I was just like, no way. So ever since I saw that, I was like very interested in the pneumatics part of robotics. But this is just for fun, anybody, for STEM. And, those of you that just want to branch out and go away from robotics. And definitely, there's a definite connection between robotics, but it doesn't necessarily have to connect as far as this doesn't need any motorized cables, it doesn't need any batteries. It's just really cool to see air pressure and how it affects, valves and cylinders and pumps. And it's just really neat. Okay, guys, hopefully you liked it. I am Mr. Hino from Mr. Hino's Lego Robotics. I'm out.
He's out.
He's out.
We got this.
We got this.
We got this, guys.
Hey guys, Mr. Hino here. Thank you so much for watching. And if you love robotics, don't forget to check out these videos also because they're cool. Okay guys, take care.